Amidst the ever-evolving urban landscape of Osaka, House in Uehonmachi emerges as a solution to the challenges of living on a narrow and elongated plot. Designed by FujiwaraMuro Architects, this home strikes a balance between workspace needs, family interaction, and natural lighting in an environment that is expected to become increasingly surrounded by high-rise buildings in the future. This house was built for a couple who frequently work from home along with their children. The main design challenge was to create spaces that enable focus while working without sacrificing the connection between family members. After numerous discussions, an optimal solution was found in the form of functional gradations and natural lighting that flexibly respond to the occupants' needs. The second floor is dedicated to communal areas, including the living room, kitchen, dining room, home office, and a Japanese-style room. Although these rooms are separated by walls, openings at the center of each partition allow for sightlines that extend through different spaces and even reach the exterior. This separate yet connected design fosters a sense of openness while maintaining privacy, giving the interior an expansive feel. As a result, occupants can remain aware of each other's presence even when engaged in different activities. This concept enables residents to adjust their use of space according to their needs. While certain usage patterns were considered during the design process, the layout remains flexible, allowing the family to explore the best way to live in the space over time. Every corner of the house has the potential to be adapted, reflecting the ever-changing dynamics of modern life. Meanwhile, the first floor serves as a private area, housing the master bedroom and children's rooms. Both rooms open onto sunrooms, which not only bring in natural light and ventilation, but also ensure privacy for the inhabitants. These sunrooms act as gentle transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating an open atmosphere while preserving a sense of security and tranquility. The materials used in the house's construction also play a crucial role in ensuring comfort. The selection of natural wood, large glass panels, and lightweight concrete elements contributes to a warm, modern ambience that adapts easily to seasonal changes. The simplicity of the design emphasizes functionality without compromising aesthetics, making it both an elegant and practical living space. House in Uehonmachi is an example of how architectural design can address the challenges of limited urban land without compromising comfort and quality of life. With meticulous planning, this house is not just a residence but also a space that can adapt to the evolving needs of its inhabitants. Every element is designed with flexibility in mind, ensuring that the home remains relevant to changing lifestyles and requirements in the years to come.